This 7 horsepower BILT hard gas engine delivers strong, reliable power that feels well suited for demanding equipment like log splitters, compressors, and cement mixers. The 212 cubic centimeter 4-stroke overhead valve design runs smoothly and efficiently, with noticeably lower vibration and fuel use than many older side valve engines I have used. Its horizontal shaft with a 3/4-inch diameter, generous length, and keyed design makes it straightforward to line up with pulleys or couplers on a wide range of machines. The engine spins up willingly to high working speeds while still offering solid torque at lower revolutions, so it handles both heavy starts and steady running without drama. Cold starts are helped by the recoil system with automatic decompression and an accessible fuel shutoff, so getting it going after storage is usually quick and frustration-free. Build quality feels reassuring, with a fully new factory-tested unit and an industrial-grade layout that suggests long service life if you keep up with routine oil changes and basic maintenance.